Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find the option More Security and Privacy. And here scroll down to find the option Credential Storage. So at the bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on Remove all user certificates and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.